Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's a super exciting one, in my opinion. I am going to be doing an office tour, and I've been waiting to do an office tour for literally the longest time, and I've spent a little bit of time working on my office, so I didn't do everything in a day or two just because I would have rather pick out pieces that I love and incorporate that into my office instead of buying something for the sake of buying it to make it fit into my office, you know. But I feel like my office is pretty much complete. There are, however, a few things that I'm a little bit iffy about and I'm still trying to figure out, which I'll show you guys as I go. But for the most part, it's done. It's so me. I'm so excited to show it to you guys. It's more modern, but it has more natural vibes in it too, and that's kind of the style I was going for. And I'm so excited, and I will tell you guys where I got everything, and I will try to link as much of that information in the description box down below as well, just in case you guys like anything and want to try it out and want to check it out, then that is available too. But yeah, you can kind of see my office in the background, but I will show you guys everything. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I've been working on it for quite some time, and yeah, I'm so pumped. And a quick side note is one thing that I want to say too is that for me, this is the first space, because I live with my family, that I have to be my own space. And so I really put a lot of effort into making it feel like it's my comfortable spot where I can work, where I can do things that I love, where I have a chill spot, kind of like that. But take whatever budget you have and work with that. Like, there's no reason for you to feel like you have to spend thousands of dollars to make a space your own. There's so many ways that you can make your space your own in using thrifting, using discount codes, using sites that work for you. You know what I mean? So just kind of make this be a source of inspiration for you. But yeah, let's get started. So this is kind of what you see when you first walk in. This is the door. I'm standing right by it. So this is kind of what you're seeing when you first walk in. And I'm gonna start this way and I'll kind of make my way around. But this over here is going to be my clothing, fashion, inspiration rack. I got this rack from IKEA, and it's really nice, and it's actually pretty sturdy too. And I got it in black just because that was kind of the theme that you guys will see is incorporated into my office. And that's kind of where I'm going to be putting newer pieces, or pieces that I want to wear more often, or pieces that bring me more inspiration. So I'll have that hung up over here. So over here you guys will see that I have these hangers right over here. So these hangers, I'm actually in the process of taking all of these clothes and putting them on these hangers, just because I don't like this unmatched hanger situation. So I'm in the process of moving it to this, and then from there I'm actually going to move that into my closet. But for anything that's going to be sitting on this rack over here that's going to be visible, I actually bought these hangers over here. So they're a 10-piece gold hanger, and they're actually pretty sturdy. I got these from Amazon, but that is the first thing. And then you'll see over here I have my little perfume rack. So this I got from World Market, and I love this piece because it was literally the easiest thing to put together. So it's actually magnetic, so this top part and the bottom part, you kind of put it on and it's magnetic. So on this little stand from World Market, I have my perfumes on there, and I have this little plate that will hold all my jewelry. For right now, I'm wearing a lot of the nicer pieces, so I have these on right now, and so there isn't much in there, but that's where I would keep them at the end of the night, just because I know that those are my most worn pieces, and I just want them to be visible because I can just pick them and go type of thing, you know? And then when you come to this side, I think this is probably my favorite part of the office. This is my little nook. So at the bottom here, I have this white carpet, and I got this from Rugs USA. I freaking love Rugs USA. I've bought in all my rugs from there, and they're amazing. So I wanted it to kind of be a little bit different than this rug that I'm going to be having under my desk. I didn't want them to both be rectangular or more sharp edged, so I wanted to have a little bit more texture and dimension to it. So I got a little bit of a rounder circle rug, and I like that because once you step in this section, you know that this is your little nook. So from here, I'll start over here. So this mirror over here I got from Target, and this was one of the best investments just because there were mirrors that were more silver tone or didn't have that gold embellishment to it, but that's what makes it, and that's what ties this little space together. And then this cute little chair I got from IKEA, but actually this is supposed to be an outdoor chair, but it works perfectly inside. So I got this, and I love that the cushion is like a creamish white because it goes with everything. So these two pillows, which you guys would have seen in my vlog, these are either from Home Goods or Tjmaxx. I'm not sure, but I will link it down below, like where it's from. But I just feel like it ties in everything together because one is more beigey than the white one, so it kind of adds a little bit of color there too, although it's very subtle, you know? So we come over here, and this cute little stand is from IKEA. So I got this from IKEA just because, although you'll see here everything looks pretty natural, I wanted still to have this space tie in really well with the rest of my office. So then that's why I incorporated this black little side table. So on this little side table, I have this book, Milk and Honey. I love it. I just think it's a perfect light read, so I like having that there, and I like that it's black and white because it goes with everything. And then here I just have a Yankee candle, and this is in Farmer's Market, and at night I will show you guys how it looks like with everything dimmed, and then just having this light on. It's so beautiful. And then here I have these coasters. They're these kind of marble looking coasters, and I actually got these from Goodwill for $5. So check your local thrift store and see if you can get a cheaper alternative, because I know that these were from Target because they're the brand Threshold, and I know that these are from Target. So that's kind of that. So this lamp I had gotten from IKEA, and I just think it fits so well. It's the perfect gold color where it matches near perfectly to the mirror, which is exactly what I was going for. And so that's what this little space looks like. And this is where I drink my tea. It's my favorite place. And then if we tilt this way, hi, this is where my mirror situation is. So basically, initially I was unsure what I wanted to do with this mirror because I was going to put it facing this wall over here, but it just didn't make the space look, it looked too sharp and it didn't look comfortable, if that makes sense. So this is my mirror. I got this from IKEA. I think it was only like $40, and again, I love it because it has the black trimming here, which is what I was going for, because they did have one that was just mirror and didn't have any trim on it, but I just love the touch that this adds to it in this space because that's the only thing here that's black and everything else here is pretty neutral, you know what I mean? And so over here is my beautiful child. I think I'm gonna call her Bertha. Yeah, this is a beautiful plant. I got this from IKEA. So this is what it looks like. I just feel like I love how simple it is, but how big it is. And this apparently is supposed to go up to 4 feet, and I'm literally 5'2", so my child is going to be a lot bigger than me because the max it goes up to is 6 feet. So my child is growing up. But anyway, yes, Bertha over here really makes the space look so natural but still modern. I just love the way it looks. And this pot I had gotten from Home Goods. I don't know if it's a little bit too small for the space, but I think it fits pretty well. I wouldn't want a bigger pot because I feel like it'll just be too much with the space we have going on. So that's Bertha. And then here I just have a basket with a nice little blanket. The basket I actually had gotten as a gift, so I don't know exactly where it's from, but the blanket, you guys can see it kind of has some texture to it. It's really beautiful. That is from Home Goods. So if you're looking for something similar, I would definitely check out Home Goods because they have so many amazing things for your home, but at a reasonable price, and it just really adds a lot to your home. Like for example, if I didn't have that, it wouldn't tie in as well, I feel like. So just adding those things, which probably cost me like $15–20, already makes the biggest difference. So that's kind of that space over here. And then the final space is my beautiful desk. And you can see that kind of the colors, like the gold ties in here, the black ties in with my rack and ties in with that table. So it kind of all goes really well together. Starting off with this carpet, this rug. This rug I got from Rugs USA, and I'm so happy with it. It's like this beautiful braided rug, and it still has those natural tones that go with the chair alongside that basket. And then this desk, which I love, is from Target, and I love how thin and sleek it is, and I just feel like it goes so well with the office. So in here I have all of my pens that I use for work, and I have an obsession with every single color. It's so awesome. So I have my pens, and here I put my headphones and my camera. And in this section over here, I have some of my skincare things that's separated. So I have my masks over here, I have my moisturizers, my oils, lip balms, sunscreen, and toners and cotton pads here. And so it's kind of a small little space, but it's utilized really well. This chair over here I got from Wayfair, I believe. Wayfair or World Market, I'm not sure, but I will link it down below. So this chair I got from one of those two places, and I love the look of it. I like that it's black, so it has more of a sharper look to it, but matches the office really well. But also it's really airy because it has more of this natural, not fabric, but texture to it. Yeah, so love this desk. And then here on my desk I have, first things first, I have this aromatherapy comfort vanilla and patchouli from Bath and Body Works, and this smells incredible. I just keep this on my desk because when I'm doing my skincare, after I'm done, I like to put on some lotion on my hands. And then this mirror I also got from Target. It's so beautiful, and I like that it's oval as opposed to the circle, because I feel like a lot of them are circle, you know? And it's gold, so it goes with everything. And then here I have my laptop. I love this desk because in here I have all my cords. I have my Apple Watch charger, my laptop charger, my camera charger, and I can just have that be covered and not have to worry about it being exposed, so the surface still looks really clean, you know? And then on this side over here, I just have my 2 notebooks. I got these from MUJI. Here is where I keep my to-do list for work and client calls and offers that I need to put in. And here I keep any ideas that I need to jot down, but I just don't have time to pull up something on my computer and it's like urgent while I'm on a phone call or something. This is where I write down these ideas. And then this beautiful lamp over here, this is literally the little sister of this one over there, but this one's a desk lamp and I love it. It's a little baby. And then on here, I have this candle. To be honest with you, this is mostly there just because it goes with the aesthetic, but it smells really like campfire-y, which I love, so love that. Especially when I burn this candle with the farmer's market one over there, it's amazing. So that is pretty much my full office. The one thing that I'm having a problem with that I'm still trying to figure out is cords. Like, I hate the look of cords being visible, and I know that that's inevitable because it just is, but I'm trying to find a way to minimize the appearance of them. Like, for example, you can see these cords. So this cord is hanging from my desk because that's where I have all of, I can connect all my electronics to. But the thing is that bothers me so much is that you can see it. Like, this is not cute. I don't like this. This needs to go. I just don't really know how to make it go, to be honest, because I tied this over here down so it kind of sticks, but it's just not a good look. So that's the only thing left in my office that I need to fix. Well, one of the few things left. So I need to find a way to hide this. So I'm thinking of probably bringing it under the carpet and over and putting the extension cord underneath, because that's the only way. I don't know how else I would hide it because it's just like really bulky, you know? So that was the second to last thing that I need to get done. The last thing that I need to get done is, so here's what my desk looks like, but you can see that this wall over here, it's super plain. And so I've been looking at Desenio because their prints are amazing, and I basically want to put 1, 2, 3 black trimmed, what do you call it? Black trimmed frames. That's what it is. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. So I want to put 3 black trimmed frames with kind of more lined pictures in it, because I feel like that would look really good with the office. But besides that, that's kind of the whole office, and this is what it all looks like. It's very clean, very modern looking, but also very cozy with the plants and then the light wood. So that's kind of what that full space looks like. But yeah, that basically is my full office tour. As you guys saw, there's still a few things that I need to get done, and those are like final things, but I was too excited. I couldn't wait to show you guys my office. So I'll work on that, and then I might like put it on Instagram if you guys want to follow me there. It's just at Amirah. I will link that down below too if you guys want to check it out. So I'll probably update you guys on Instagram on how the frames end up looking. I'm so excited. But besides that, that is my full office tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And that's one thing that I really wanted to make in this office, is make the space my own, because I thrive so much on my environment and what's around me. So if I have an awesome space that I'm really happy with, I'm a lot more likely to be productive, to enjoy what I'm doing, and just like have a good time, as opposed to me like bumming around in pajamas on the couch. I just feel like I'm a lot less likely to be as productive, you know? And so this is my space. I'm here literally every single day, whether I'm working or not. And especially since I'm a realtor, I work a lot from home, and I just want a space that I'm comfortable with, that makes me happy, and it's just nice, you know? I just like it. So yes, that's all from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you liked the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!